Sunshine, lollipops, and shakers everywhere. Okay.
It's great singing, Chad, mate, but just not
Thank
the
you.
time.
I didn't understand. I thought I had a beautiful voice. Okay. I like it when you touch my lips. It's like you're caressing me softly. Like you're looking into my eyes, deep within my eyes. It's a beautiful thing, love. I love you, AZ.
Okay, just move now. That was a bit uncomfortable.
It wasn't for me. The only thing uncomfortable in me is my penis.
Jesus, Chad.
Are you good?
What?
Jesus.
I told you! Viagra! I've got that Viagra! I didn't know it was Viagra!
Fucking hell, Chad.
What?
It's no need.
Yo, Isaac.
Yo. Okay, so we have leadership of you guys.
Me, yeah, myself, Danny
That's
leadership
fine.
around at the moment.
You guys are good.
Yep.
Yes. Laraza, leadership here.
Yeah, I'm here. If we can wait 10 minutes, we'll have some more voice.
Look, I'm currently running out of time.
Yeah, we didn't have time for
unfortunately,
that.
You can relay the message anyways. Laraza, who you paying tax to?
Was that fair?
Who do you guys pay tax to?
Ufa.
Okay. From this day onwards, you're not paying tax to them anymore. You understand?
Why we're called down here?
Yes, these are.
And everybody else is here for the exact same reason?
Everyone else is here for the exact same reason. So you guys no longer pay tax to them, okay? Yes?
I'm not gonna ask you, bro. Fucking too many speaking to you, bro.
Us. Hello.
You guys understand? Like,
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. Easy, yes. You guys no longer paying tax to them, okay?
Yeah, I haven't paid tax to them anyway, so.
Yep, that's it. No more paying tax. Chad, you
Yeah.
guys no more paying tax to them, okay?
Understood.
Okay, well, we never did technically. One time I taxed them, but that was it.
Okay, no worries. So you guys no longer pay tax to them. Obviously, you know, they haven't really been around as much, and you would be like I said, we guys made an agreement, you know. You guys take half of Southside, we take half of Southside. But I don't know, unfortunately you guys don't seem to understand that, you know. We left the gangs that, for example, Laraza, we stopped taxing them once we made an agreement, but you guys all decided to come down to Jamestown to push over Chad's gang and make them pay tax. So it doesn't work anymore. So obviously we're gonna take all of Southside, and you guys aren't collecting money off anyone anymore, okay?
As a matter
Yes.
of fact, you cunts are paying us now.
That's
Izzy.
right.
Yeah,
Yellow Z.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit! Not burning! Burning!
Okay, guys, no more paying tax. That's it. These are free to go.
Burning!
Easy. Hey, I have to catch up with you soon, bro. I gotta chat with you.
Why burning? Okay. I'm sorry, Barney. I love you, Barney. It wasn't meant to be like this, Barney. This is your fault, Barney. God damn it, Barney. I love you, Barney.
Come on, Chad. Time to go.
I didn't want to be like this cock.
Cry in the car. Cry in the car.
Yeah, I'm good, Amy. Thanks, Shakers.